All right, today we're going to talk about the word sleep, sleeping in Thai. We call that นอนหลับ นอนหลับ นอนหลับ. Okay, that's a full word. นอน หลับ means sleeping, like a sleeping beauty. You sleep, fart, snore. You have no idea what's going on. Sleeping, นอนหลับ. A lot of people just say หลับ or นอน. Now the word นอน หลับ is quite tricky to use. A lot of people divide it to two, นอน and หลับ. Remember, the full word is นอน หลับ, means sleeping. Now, once you divide it between two, นอน and หลับ, okay, what's นอน and what's หลับ? It can mean two different things. นอน it can either means lie down. You go to bed, you walking in, you go, I'm gonna go lie down. I'm gonna go lie down. It's like ไปนอน go on the bed. ไปนอน right? นอน Now, what's หลับ? หลับ means already asleep. You know nothing what's going on. You're already out. You are out. หลับ means you're already dreaming. Gone. Okay? If you see someone already asleep, that's called หลับ. Some people use the word นอน It depends on a person. Okay? But a lot of people in Thailand, they mix up these two words a lot. Keep in mind, นอน is generally means sleeping or going to bed. Once you're asleep, that's called หลับ. Alright? หลับ. But some people still use the word นอน I don't know. Ask them why. Okay? Once you come across that situation, you ask them why you use the word นอน instead of หลับ. But most of the time, I just use the word นอน. Now, how do you use that? There's many ways to use the word นอน The word today is นอน means sleep or lie down. Okay? First one is bedroom. Bedroom in Thai, we call it ห้องนอน 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 means a bedroom. ห้อง means a room, right? A space that you're in. ห้อง นอน is for sleeping. So, sleeping room. ห้องนอน Yeah, it's pretty easy. ห้องนอน And the next one is going to bed. เข้านอน 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 means going to bed. ผมจะเข้านอน or ฉันจะเข้านอน means I'm going to bed. I'm done talking. I don't want to watch movie no more. I don't want to watch TV no more. I'm going to bed. I'm tired. ผมจะเข้านอน เข้านอน means going to bed. But where? Where are you going to bed at? ในห้องนอน in the bedroom. เข้านอนในห้องนอน means going to bed in the bedroom. That's the difference between the two words. เข้านอน means going to bed. Now, next one. Waking up. Wake up. ตื่นนอน 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 means wake up. Rise and shine. Okay? What time do you wake up? ตื่นนอนกี่โมง 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 means what time do you wake up? ตื่นนอน means wake up. ตื่น means alert. นอน is sleeping. Alert from sleeping position is waking up. ตื่นนอน means wake up. Okay? And the next one is sleepwear. We call that ชุดนอน 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 means sleepwear, pajamas, or whatever you want to call it. You know, you wear that when you go to bed or go to Walmart. ชุดนอน right? ชุดนอน means pajamas. You feel comfortable in it. You sleep in it. ชุดนอน okay? ชุดนอน means sleepwear, pajamas. And the next one is haven't slept in a long time. You're like insomnia. You can't sleep. Okay? We call it อดนอน อดนอน means haven't slept in a long time. Insomnia. You can't sleep. Alright? You see someone walking around like zombie. You're like, oh man, this guy hasn't slept in days. We call that อดนอน อดนอน Alright? Something wrong with him. You know? Don't go close to him. He might stab you or something. Yeah, because he's angry, right? อดนอน means I haven't slept in a long time. The other one is quite useful as well. If you want to use it when you met a new friend and you want them to sleep over, having a sleepover party, right? We call it นอนค้างนอนค้างนอนค้าง means sleepover overnight. Just say if you're going to the beach, right? You're like, oh man, I'm going for a day trip, but it's getting late. It's getting late, right? You're like, oh man, I better stay here for like a night or two, you know? You wanna sleep over for a couple of nights? นอนค้าง okay? นอนค้าง means some people said นอนค้างคืนนอนค้างคืน means sleep overnight, okay? นอนค้างคืน means sleeping over. It can be anywhere. Your apartment, hotel, condo, you know, I don't know, wherever, okay? นอนค้าง And the next one is this word is also used the word non, but have nothing to do with sleeping. I'm going to teach you. We call it แนวนอน means horizontal, okay? If you're a builder, if you're a contractor or architecture, or if you're an architect or whatever, right? You try to explain. It's a horizontal line, right? Not vertical, but horizontal. We call it แนวนอนแนวนอน horizontal. Just say if you're filming something, you know, right now you're watching a YouTube video. This is a horizontal. They call it landscape mode, right? But it's a horizontal. แนวนอน Now, the vertical would be a different word, but if I tell you that, you get confused. So I'm just going to stick with the horizontal, แนวนอน All right? So that's tons of information in there. Go back, rewatch it, because there's a lot of things you need to learn. The word sleep doesn't always mean sleeping all the time. It can mean many things, okay? It depends on how you want to use it. So, learn it, practice it, and write them down, practice with sound, and hear it a lot. Try to come up with a situation and you might need to use those words, okay? So if you like this kind of content, my name is Bodo, and please like and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's Bodo_Thai. It's tons of lessons there as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Peace.